What's up, guys? Thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel. This week, here's my latest hairstyle haircut. I've been letting my hair grow out a little bit. As you can tell, my photos, I haven't been getting very short size lately, which I think I'm going to go back to pretty soon. But for this video in particular, you can see that she's just using the scissors and comb just to take some weight off of the sides. We did use the clippers slightly just to clean up around my ear and basically the areas that need to be detailed. But for the most part, we just used the scissors and the comb. As you guys could tell, my hair is pretty thick, so we did have to texturize my hair and take some weight off with the texturizing scissors. The length still remained the same. It's just a little bit easier to manage and just thinning out slightly to make my hair fall a little bit evenly and grow out nicer. So I usually don't thin out the sides either, but since I am going for this longer hairstyle look, I figured that I would thin it out just a little bit just so it could fall better, and it is growing out very nice. So I know this haircut isn't as edgy as I usually go, and I just wanted to have more of a mature look and just go for a little bit less of a edgy look and go for more of like a modern man. And I was looking at like George Clooney's photos and like even Ryan Reynolds and their longer hair days, and I just kind of liked and was inspired by their hair, and I figured that I could still get pretty cool hairstyles out of this haircut and still maintain a nice edgy look if I needed to comb it a certain way, because I do have length. So if I want to slick it back or part it in the center and do a nice comb over, I can. It's a very versatile haircut, which is why I enjoy it so much. Going for a longer cut, make sure you consult with your stylist just so she could cut your hair according to your face shape. Right here she's giving me more of a square look, so my face could be a little bit more aligned to my hair, so it makes me look a little bit slim and just, you know, good. Also, guys, for my next haircut, I'm going to go for a more edgy look. So I want to go for a Zayn Malik hairstyle. So what I would love for you guys to do is to DM me some photos, and I'm going to play haircut roulette, and I'm going to pick out haircuts that you guys submit to me from Zayn Malik hairstyle. So submit your photos, DM me on Instagram at @bycarlosroberto, and I will play haircut roulette and not have any idea what I'm going to get. So go ahead and send me some crazy stuff, and I'll do that for my next haircut video. Thank you so much. Peace.